am womb, yin, and earthkin, goddess from the beginning. He said I was the sin, and we fell from the garden. Our spirits then hardened from that departing. But I know in my heart, and I can see the patriarchy that set out to destroy all she's who believed in the feminine divinity. The other half of the seed that we need to procreate. But with a twist of fate and manipulated faith, driven by fear and hate, we turn to dirt. That rejection, it hurt, and now like the earth, he claims we are worth less. Like the rest who've caressed him at our breasts for years and whispered sweet words in his ears, only for him to turn on his sisters. Oh, and brothers. But the woman, mighty mother and lover, declared he wore on her, said she did something wrong because she sang her woman's songs and prolonged her death, took him from her chest and turned to a crone, leaving him all alone in the wilderness. A culture she had left for he and his clan, but he developed a brand new plan to rule supreme and cover up all of his own insecurities. Now I was bound to heat through thousands of years, battered and ravaged, our sacred traditions scattered and mismanaged in secrecy. I was Persephone taken by Hades to a sea of sorrow, knowing tomorrow I would see my mother, Demeter, goddess of the grain, queen of all the pain that comes when deranged faith takes daughter maidens like Satan. He had taken the power away from the feminine tradition and force-fed a new materialistic religion. I am Isis, the priestess, who no longer practices in secret. Or shall I say asked, Isis masked by a conquering wrath when they turned Kemet to Egypt, trying to steal the truth from sealed crypts, but we see it. Names been changed for centuries from important places and personalities. I mustn't forget to say that Candomblé are Yoruban Orishas hidden behind saints' names. Go back to Greece and we shall see that white Jesus was brown Yeshua, and actually the Holy Grail represented his seed. Mother Mary and Magdalene represent aspects of the divine feminine, but they've been raping and pillaging and trying to create a culture that would dominate all life, global strife for child, husband, and wife. I refused to take it. I lifted my fist and dismissed all of his hatred, gave worth to my own sacred. I am Uma, the tribal ecstatic dancer. I am Aphrodite, the archetypical romancer. I am Hathor, the cow without the rancher. I am a human youth who has broken through the skewed views of sexual oppression, so I give props to the goddesses who've taught me these lessons. I do what I am destined. I will not forget to mention that we are grounded ascension. I am the source of prevention of wars. I am a mother who will explore a cultural alternative to implore my sons to be more than those patriarchal forefathers, equality slaughterers who use women and nature as fodder for their ethnocentric colonization across land and water. I am Artemis, the archer who will never miss, because with the animals I exist. I am the wild woman archetype. I am back and I am ripe. So with all my earth can I unite to fight this global domination and give birth to a true sovereign nation.